How do Indian cinema fare across international markets?
Well, Indian cinema have been doing well in some areas. It had a niche market always in television, European television, and we have been selling our films to few television like French, Italian, German, Channel 4. But now, Indian cinema, because of this diaspora, is releasing in United States, in UK, in Europe, of course, in the Middle East. I think it's fairly doing well amongst the Asians, and also foreigners are interested about our mainstream film and also about our parallel films. So it's okay, but I think it should do more, better.
And sir, what new visual techniques have you seen in 4030
In
4030 International Film Festival of
oh,
India 2000?
well, I was a little bit confined in the jury screening, so I didn't have chance to see films from other sections. The first time I'm going to see a film from in Indian Panorama. Uh, I think now the new edition is because of digital platform. People are doing interesting things, especially in computer graphics. But sometimes what happens, when you have technology, you use it too much. So that's very important, how to control the technology and how to use it properly. That is very important. But technically, IFFI 2012, apparently, what I've seen so far, it's quite good. It's much better.
And sir, what were the criterions for selecting world cinema?
This I really don't know, but I'm sure it was a challenge for the selection committee because there were so many entries. I really don't know because our job was much later. When it was selected, then the job of jury started. But of course, criteria should be the content, aesthetics, and how a filmmaker is using time and space in cinema, and uniqueness of a film, and also very important is the cultural identity and culture specific. That is very important focus for the international competition because it must be a convergence of different cultures, not only films.
Which countries do you see having the best cinematic presentation?
I can't say like that because each and every country has its own style. Again, it comes really from their own understanding and own culture. A Philippine film is totally different than from a film from Morocco or from Cuba. Each country has its own style. That is what I feel.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my pleasure.